Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to withdraw funds from Pocket Option using Cash App. Now, you'll need to go through an intermediary because there's no direct withdrawal option. So when you open up Pocket Option, here in your dashboard, you can either come on the left-hand panel, click on Finance, click on Withdrawal, or your profile icon at the top right, and then from this drop down, you click on Withdrawal, and then here, under the Withdrawal section, you go ahead and choose your payment method to be your bank account, the same bank account that is linked to your Cash App. Because what we're going to be doing, we're going to be sending that amount, let's say $300, to our bank account that is linked to our Cash App. And then we fill all of this in, we continue, send the money over, then go to our Cash App. Okay, we go ahead and add money, right? Deposit money, you can do a bank transfer, let's say $300, whatever amount you had sent to that bank account, now you add it to Cash App. That's all you have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.